Hello people, so here we got my 5th scale 30 degree north buggy, gas powered obviously. Wanted to show you a little repair that I did on the exhaust. So it broke at the weld. As you can see, the nice little break there. It was ground down a little bit with a grinder, but I had to grind it down so I could get the small part inside in here, slide it in. So drilled a couple holes and used 3 rivets, steel rivets. Tried aluminum, did not work very long. So steel rivets, 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3. Probably another one wouldn't be a bad idea, but drilling through this stuff is it's an absolute nightmare. This stuff is insanely hard. Whatever it's made out of, whatever it's coated with, however they tempered it, man, this stuff is insanely hard. No wonder it cost $100 for a whole new set. So yeah, so it's a little bit shorter, so the angle is a bit off. You know, there's supposed to go through here, a little silencer pipe, and that's supposed to slot in there. You know, it's supposed to go there, but so it's a little bit off. But you know, nothing a little baling wire can't fix. See, that hole is supposed to go there, but you just bridge that gap with some baling wire. Problem solved. And it's pretty solid, gotta say. A little surprised how well it's holding. Of course, the pipe did rub on this a lot, so I cut it with a little rotary tool. When I say cut, I mean more like melted, because you know it's plastic. But so yeah, it's so far holding up pretty good, and a lot louder without the silencer on it, but that's fine. Yeah, so far it's holding up good. The no signs of these rivets going bad yet. Of course, there's still time, but I've got about 15 minutes of runtime on it, and that's 15 minutes longer than the other. Well, okay, 14 minutes longer than the aluminum rivets lasted. So I'd say so far so good. So yeah, if you're looking for a cheaper way to potentially fix your exhaust instead of spending the money for holding pipe, if you don't have the money, this might be a viable option. So hope this helps somebody, and until next time, thanks for watching.